In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos to your Wix website, whether they're from YouTube, Vimeo, or directly uploaded from your computer. This tutorial will guide you through each step, ensuring your site has the engaging content you want it to have. Firstly, let's access the Wix website editor. Open your browser and sign in to your Wix account. Navigate to your website or the specific page where you want your video to appear. Once you're in the editor, look for the plus icon on the left side of the screen. This is the Add Elements button. Click on it to begin incorporating new content into your site. Within the Add Elements options, you'll find a variety of features you can add to your page. Look for and select Embed Code. This option allows you to incorporate custom code into your page, which is necessary for embedding videos from external platforms like YouTube. Once you've clicked on Embed Code, choose Embed HTML. This is where you'll insert your unique video code. Moving on to the video source, let's use YouTube as an example. Open YouTube in another tab and find the video you'd like to add to your website. Once you've located the right video, right-click on it and select Copy Embed Code. This action copies the necessary HTML code that allows your video to appear directly on your Wix page. Return to the Wix website editor. Now that you're back, paste the embed code you copied from YouTube into the Embed HTML box. After pasting, remember to click Update to ensure that your video is successfully added to your page. You should see your video appear in the editor, confirming it's embedded correctly. For those who prefer uploading video files directly from their computer, follow these steps in the Wix editor. Click on Media in the left-hand panel and then select Upload Media. From here, click Upload from Computer. This allows you to choose a video file saved on your device. Find and select the file you want to showcase and then click Open to begin the upload process. Once your video is uploaded, click Add to Page. Your video will now be integrated into your site, appearing in your chosen location. Remember, embedding videos effectively enriches your site by making it more engaging and interactive for visitors. Whether you're showcasing tutorials, promotional content, or personal messages, implementing videos can significantly enhance your site's appeal, and there you have it, a step-by-step guide to adding videos to your Wix site. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to explore more ways to customize and enhance your website with the variety of tools and features Wix offers. Happy editing!